So I have recently decided to increase the variety of track elements on the LEGO roller coaster system with the help of 3D printing. I have designed 2 track pieces myself, and the first and so far most useful one is this S-bend. It moves 16 studs forwards and 8 studs either side. It can be printed either to the left or to the right. This piece is best used as a switch track, which is a section of track that can slide over to allow a train to go into a different section, most often a storage area. Of course, this doesn't mean that you can't include it in a regular layout. I have here a coaster I built that used it twice, one in each direction. The second track piece is a bank turn. This has the same dimensions as a flat turn, except it is banked at a 45-degree angle. This has a new center spine to make designing the cross ties easier and is also placed 1 brick higher than normal track. I haven't yet developed a transition piece into the bank track, so it's not as useful as it probably could be right now. The links to the STL files will be in the description of this video.